Hello everyone. Today, we're setting up OpenSuSE, a powerful and stable Linux distribution, inside a virtual machine. First, ensure you have two things downloaded. First, the OpenSuSE ISO file, and the second is Oracle VirtualBox application. Now, go to the link provided in the description to download the ISO file. Now create new VM, open VirtualBox and click New. Give a name to your operating system. Click on the drop-down menu next to ISO image. From the list that appears, you should select the file path that points to your downloaded OpenSuSE ISO file. Once selected, you should see the ISO file name displayed next to the ISO image label. Now move on to the hardware allocation step. Give a RAM and CPU according to your laptop and click to the Finish button. We have successfully created the virtual machine named OpenSuSE. You can see the new VM listed and highlighted in your VirtualBox Manager window. Now, we are ready to launch the OpenSuSE installation. Click the big green Start arrow at the top of the Manager window. Once the VM starts, you'll see a screen asking you to choose one of the given options. So select Installation. After selecting Installation, OpenSuSE will begin the process of detecting your hardware and loading the installation components. You'll be presented with the license agreement. Proceed by clicking on Next. Then, you'll be asked to select the repositories you want. Unless you have specific requirements, you can leave it with the default settings. However, if you prefer not to install non-open source software, OSS, you can deselect the non-OS repositories. You'll be prompted to select the system role for this VM. In this example, I have chosen Desktop with GNOME. You get a full, ready-to-use graphical screen, like Windows or macOS. Then, you'll be asked to set the clock and time zone. Select the region and time zone according to your location. Next, you'll be prompted to create a non-admin user. For security reasons, so create a user and give a strong password and click Next. In this step, you'll be asked to review the settings you selected. Now click to Install button. Now the actual installation is performed. When it's done, the system will reboot and be ready to use. Now your installation is complete and you can select boot from the hard disk. Let's select OpenSuSE 15.6 Leap option. So, here we go. This is the welcome screen of OpenSuSE. And that's how you can install OpenSuSE machine on VirtualBox. Thanks for watching, and if you found it helpful, then please consider like, share and subscribe to UNRT Development YouTube channel. Thank you.